Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and enable bell notification to never miss an update from us.
Hello everyone, welcome to Entri. I, Deepmani Bhardwaj, welcomes you all again, and today we are going to have a very important discussion, that is the advantages and disadvantages of working in RRB. See, we all know that working in RRB is very nice, but there are some disadvantages as well, because each and everything in our life has pros and cons both, isn't it? So what all are its disadvantages and what all are its advantages? So let's start with our topic to understand all that. First of all, let us understand what is RRB. See, RRB is a widely spread and a very important part of the banking sector. They promote development in the rural areas by assisting rural people, that is, those people who are belonging to the agricultural department, that is, they may be entrepreneurs, they may be artisans, they may be a small businessman, they may be agriculture cooperative societies, which financially by providing them loans and other benefits. And when did regional rural bank come into existence? They came into the existence in September 1975, and these was specially developed because of the rural areas, so that people from the rural background could be helped. Now, let's have a discussion first of all about its important dates, because we have applied its application form and we are waiting for its examination that is going to be conducted in the month of September. So the official notification release date was of 30th June, that is IPS RRB released its notification on 30th June 2020, and its registration started from the 1st July and ended up at the 21st July. The downloading of the call letter of PET date is given, it was 12th of August. Fine, but we don't know that in this scenario PET is going to be conducted or not, but the date of prelims examination would be conducted in September October 2020, and the date of mains exam that is told is October November 2020, but still we are not aware of it, that what is the exact date, because there is no such official notification right now that COVID-19 is over or anything regarding that is not officially announced, so we can't say, but yeah, we can take it as a tentative date that would be taken for the examination for the prelims and mains. So provisional allotment would be done on the January 2021, that is the next year. Now, talking about the advantages of working in RRB, the first advantage is its job satisfaction. See, the majority of customers of the RRB are from the rural background, that is, they are involved in the agricultural economy. These people require a bank account for various purposes like receiving Manrega wages, getting the government help, to buy products for agriculture purposes, or to start a new business. The employees of RRB help these people by providing them loans, assist them in agricultural finance and other necessary facilities, thereby helping in the development of rural and backward areas. So the upliftment of the backward and rural areas is done by RRB. It's very important. Because of this RRB only, the people from the agricultural background or the rural area are living a stress-free life. Getting to the work and interact with rural people provides the employees with a lot of job satisfaction, as these people are very kind-hearted and it makes us happy from within to help such the needy ones. We know that these people who are from rural background are very good at heart, they are helpful in nature, and it makes us feel good also that we are helping them in their upliftment. So RRB employees also attend workshops or the trainings that are conducted by the government to learn more about agricultural activities, so that they can easily help them. This helps the officers to understand the ways in which they can reach common people easily, communicate with them effectively, suggest that they engage with the banks to secure necessary finances for the future activities. The future activities may include the starting up of business or anything. Second important point is posting in the hometown. See, everyone wants that his job must be near to his hometown, and the best thing is that if you are aware of your local language and you have applied for the form, it is the best job, because you can get, or I'll say you have the maximum chances that you can be get posted in your home state or nearby your home. Fine. So the best important point is you are going to be posted in your hometown. Next point. The next advantage is work-life balance and less expenses. In comparison to commercial banks, working in RRBs, that is regional rural banks, is very less stressful and have a less work pressure due to limited work. The bank timings are almost fixed, which ensures that you have a good amount of time to spend with your family. See, why do we work? We know that we are working because we want to keep ourselves and our family happy. And if you are having a fixed time, you know that at the fixed time you can go to your home and enjoy with your family members, isn't it? And the main thing which I told you, you can live with your family members because your bank would be near your hometown. Now, RRBs also provide a great job security in compared to the private sector banks, and this is very clear to everyone. But the most important thing is that less expense. See, if you are living in a metropolitan city, not only the house rent, each and everything is very expensive, and rural areas are always cheaper in comparison to those metropolitan cities, isn't it? So this will ensure that you are going to have a greater savings. So the spending would be less and savings would be extra. So all these are the advantages of working in the regional rural banks, that is your RRBs. But now let's have discussion on the disadvantages as well, because see, everything has its pros and cons, isn't it? So its disadvantage is that it would give you limited scope of work. That is, RRBs have limited work. A majority of their work includes the interacting with the rural population and helping them in opening bank accounts, providing them loans, assisting in agricultural financing. RRBs exist for a specific purpose, and that is to provide credit and banking facilities to the rural people who are mostly from the agricultural background. RRBs have limited options in the products and services they offer in comparison to the commercial banks. This means the scope of work for the RRB officers and assistants is relatively less. See, these are, I'll not say that it is the disadvantage, but is also the main thing that we want is the promotion, isn't it? But here we see that most of these people do what? After joining RRBs, they clear other exams and go at a better, higher position. The only thing is that, see, working in bank is always good, no doubt. It is always good, and I have already told you that you are going to work with the people who are from the rural background and you are helping them financially. And the greatest help that anyone can do is by financial means. As if someone wants to start a business and if you are helping them financially, just think of it. What person will think? That he will treat you like a god. So it's very good to work with RRBs, and I think it's the best opportunity because you are living nearby your home and helping all the needy ones. So I consider this job as the best one. Then also everyone has his or her own thinking, so it is up to you how you take it, but I find it the best job that anyone can have. So we are giving live IPS rank booster quiz on the daily basis. Please attempt that. The link we have given in the description, you can use that link to give this quiz. This quiz will boost up your rank, and this quiz is specially for IBPS RRBs. Fine. So it is the specially for you candidates who have filled the RRB form. So thanking you for watching this video. Please do like it, comment as much as possible and share as much as possible so that we can keep on giving our best to you all. So thanking you for watching this video. Thanks a lot.